afternoon, everyone. Welcome to be or not to be the case studies review. The name, the email address, the Telegram channel, and the MG Narega code. All right. Let's begin. Before we start, I'm sure you would have seen the questions and the model answers. Both of them have been uploaded on the Telegram channel for your reference. And even if you haven't attempted them, at least if you've thought of them, that's more than enough. That's the idea, to keep thinking of them. If you write them, nothing like it. That's always going to be most beneficial. So before we start, audio video, okay? Is this fine? Can you all hear me clearly? Yes. As you can see, I have great internet speeds. So if there is a problem, it's going to be it's you, it's not me in the ecosystem. Okay. All right. All right. Lovely. Good. Because I thought from now onwards, it's easier. All right. Okay. So let us start. And I'd given you a little bit of an assignment in the previous class. I hope you're able to understand the assignment I had given. Um, do you remember I had spoken to you about uh, finding a pattern to the case studies? Yes. And for that, all you had to do was go through all the previous year questions that have been asked as case studies. Yes? Good. And I want to ask you, in the private slash personal category, what kind of questions did you see? What kind of questions did you see? Very good. So you definitely saw of something to do with pollution. Very good. What else? Environment. Pollution slash environment. Very good. What else did you see? Definitely something to do with harassment, especially of the female gender. This is something which has been asked twice. Yes, very good. What else? What else did you see? Yeah, what are the kind of questions that you were asked? Usually about what? Mm-hmm. Legal versus moral. Very good. Norms, implementations, colleagues. Good. So, very specifically, what are the issues we were talking about? Where were the issues? There was always something to do with violating the environment. Always something to do with, harassment of the female gender. I'm talking about specific issues, the kind of issues, right? The kind of specific factual issues. Good. Anything else? Yeah. Third, any kind of favoritism in place. Do you see, and if you were able to, all of them essentially come down to a utilitarianism principle, benefiting one versus benefiting the rest. Isn't that the case? Whether I write any question on anything in private or personal, if you've noticed that the core issues sort of remain the same, the core issues always remain very, very common. And the UPSC is so boring that the factual issues also they don't change. Sometimes it's about, industrial discharge, sometimes it's about pollution, sometimes it's about environmental impact and things like that. Yes, but it is usually the same. Now, do you understand that through this, I want you to close to a format? I will reveal all the formats, but I also want you to work hard with this. I also want you to, struggle with this. I want you to get your own space in case studies. So good, good. So at least this you figured out so far. And now let's look at what the case studies were today. Now let's understand what they were. Let's move to the first question directly. Now, remember this. I'm going to discuss the question. I want you to understand the question, and then we'll look at it in further detail. Okay. So, shush on the comment box. Let's focus on the discussion of the class. You're heading the product division of a major automobile manufacturing company in India. Your company has a stellar reputation for manufacturing one of the safest cars in the market. The government has released new environmental standards for automobile companies to comply with so that the engines are less harmful to the environment. The cars that your company manufacture are in clear violation of the new guidelines. Now, you must understand this. This is a fact. This is a fact. This can't be disputed. It's not allegedly. It's not that it would be revealed post an inquiry. You know that this is the case. So don't dispute this fact. Okay. You inform the CEO and the management of the company, asking them to stop the production immediately until new compliant manufacturing processes are in place. The management informs you that it's going to be a very, very costly affair, and the company is not in a position to invest given poor market conditions, especially let us say the automobile sector in the country, right? Furthermore, if the company had to do so, it would lead to massive job cuts. This is also something which is a, a fact that you do this, you will lose jobs. And this would mean hundreds of workers who specially work under your team would lose their jobs. Your company is due for an inspection by the authorities, and your company advises you to install devices in the test cars that would manipulate the results in your favor. Now, this would remind you of two instances. One, the Volkswagen pollution cheating scandal, and in an unrelated note, remember the whole Olympics drug testing scandal, where you would remember that the athletes, would cheat the drug tests. Yes, yes, good, excellent, lovely. The doping scandal, good. Do you see how both of these issues are essentially the same thing, right? So now let's look at answering the question. The case in the introduction itself, if it is a real time incident, mention the real time incident. If you've gone through the past year papers, you would have seen there was a question on food prepared by a Dalit cook, which was not eaten by non Dalit students. That was inspired from a real time case study, was it not? Yes. So mention it, relate it. It'll always get you more marks. The case is like the events concerning the Volkswagen Group, which faced sanctions and fines globally to their actions. You've added contextualization. Okay. The scenario, while involving the company, the workers, and the environmental health in mind, मैंने क्या करा? In that one introduction itself, I have identified the stakeholders without taking too much of word limit in space. The company, the workers, and environmental health in mind. The following ethical conflicts are placed before me. I've written this in first person. Okay. Now, simplified as simple as possible. It's essentially a case of company versus country, is it not? Company means an individualized identity, and country means whatever is in the greater interest of everyone. So then you explain what the conflict is. Why would you be worried? Why would this not be a straight decision without thinking twice? Because companies as successful as these provide livelihoods to thousands and contribute to nation building, right? Companies, however, companies in a primal way use the very natural resources which are managed and preserved by the nation's government. So if a company is manufacturing something, it is manufacturing something using the resources which are preserved and managed by the government. Don't you think this is the very conceptual principle behind corporate social responsibility? Why do you think you're imposing a 2% profit margin for the companies to pay back? Because you're using the natural resources that you're supposed to be paying. So even if you'd like to mention a correlation between CSR, great, do that. Absolutely. However, it is the duty of the government to ensure the larger interests of the population are preserved, which in this case would be hampered by using dangerous devices harming the environment and the people of the country. Now, You can simplify it further and you could say uh, profits versus environment. You would say environmental sustainability versus human sustainability. You can use either of the two as long as the both, because both of them essentially mean the same thing. Okay, so you can write it in any way you feel like, but this is, if I was writing it, I wrote it this way. Okay, understood? These are all written by me. So the first thing that came to mind was company versus country. Okay, all right, good, excellent. Guys, please don't bother commenting. Yes, rule of law, business integrity, the same thing. It's all essentially the same thing. The rule of law wants you to protect the environment. The businesses want you to defy the environment. So it's essentially the same thing. Whatever you frame it as long as your explanation is spot on. Okay, now straight jump into the outcomes, into the choices. You basically have two choices: either you listen to the company or you don't. Now I'll tell you why a lot of the answers that I've read for this have made some fundamental mistakes. You have two choices. Your choices are either you listen to the company or you don't. Give me a short term and a long term on this. I do this, the company continues to grow to new heights. Two, the employees do not lose their jobs. Keep it as simple, keep it as crisp as you feel like. Okay, long term, constant fear of a crackdown by the authorities. It's only a matter of time when the reality is revealed and the company would lose its credibility and reputation, and putting the lives of millions, including children, women, and elderly, at risk. And there is a reason I wrote it in this way. The constant fear would lead to cautious behavior by the company. So you can write what it leads to. It's only a matter of time when the reality is revealed, which means today or tomorrow, the truth is going to come out. And when it does, when tomorrow it comes out that the company cheated, it is going to cost you so much more to repair your reputation, your business stature in the world and in the economy at large. And third, I particularly mentioned vulnerable groups, telling you that there is a human angle to this, that children, women, and elderly at risk are going to be the most affected, especially children and elderly. This creates impact value, as some of you would like to call it. Okay, clear on this? Good. If I honestly cooperate with the inquiry, okay, all right. Atul, can you stop commenting everything the same thing twice? मैं समझ गया बेटा, सबका आंसर किसने बोला सेम नहीं हो सकता? बिल्कुल हो सकता है बेटा, क्यों नहीं हो सकता है ना? मार्क्स को तो सब मार्क्स तो एक ही एग्जामिनर दे रहा है ना. ये शिव खेरा प्रिंसिपल नहीं है कि विनर्स डोंट डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स, दे डू थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता इधर. Right, everybody writes the same point. Please understand, humanity is very overrated. So samjha Atul, so don't worry about it. Write a full answer and you'll get good marks. Okay. Okay, so by declining to install the cheat devices in the cars because I'm the product head, it is my call to take. What will happen? Jobs of workers would be lost, will cause financial distress to the company, and I would antagonize the company and potentially risk my own job. See, you have to be honest to the examiner and tell the examiner कि हाँ मेरी भी दग रही है. I am also worried. My own job might also be at risk because, well, I would be asked to, get out of the company. And you have to be honest with the examiner there. Long term, it ensures that the reputation of the company remains intact, creating goodwill, which may impact the company's performance in the markets. Think about it. Think about this. Ki tomorrow, if a company advertises itself to be environmentally compliant, for example, using MG Hector advertisements, MG Hector has launched a an electrical vehicle. Hyundai has. What is Benedict Cumberbatch as the brand ambassador of MG Hector electrical vehicle saying? He's saying that, boss, do your bit, and imagine the kind of brand value MG Hector would create, and in the shares it would positively affect. Yes or no? So there you go. It actually makes a lot of sense. All environmental guidelines are strictly adhered to, which obviously leads to a better environment for everyone. Clear on this? Understood this? Yes, and that's the idea. All right, clear on this? समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Yes, could. Pointers can be written. Of course, they can be. But if something could not be written, why would I write it in a model answer? है ना, मतलब why would I tell you ऐसे लिख सकते हो बट ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते? मैं तो वही लिखूंगा ना जो एग्जाम में लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है? Okay. All right. Excellent. So now comes the tough part. This is where most of your answers were a question mark. What, how would you execute it? This shows your propensity with the law, your organizational patronage, and a sense of maturity. See how this works. I have clearly the benefits of complying with environmental guidelines is in the best interest not only in the short term but also for times to come. So I would process with the following course of action. Clearly, I would ask the company, I would ask the company to rethink their decision and expressly express or expressly state my inability to implement a company's directive. I will not budge. ये आपने क्लियरली बोल दिया है, ये आपने क्लियरली बोल दिया है कि मैं तो चेंज नहीं करूंगा. Okay. And to motivate the fellow workers, I will ask the fellow workers to think about working at relatively less wages so that everyone's jobs can be saved. Correct? So that everyone's jobs can be saved. समझ में आ रहा है ये? That's what's happening in the lockdown. Let us all take lesser salaries or take significant cuts so that we are able to sustain during this tough time. ठीक है? Third, request the company to train the existing employees on new technology so that the employees also become more skill ready and the employees don't lose their jobs. Okay. And fourth, look at the permanent. Remember, I always told you an answer should always have a solution to the problem for a long period of time, not just a one instance. Ask the company to place their concerns before the government, asking them for some policy concessions in the form of tax breaks. हमने अभी एमएसएमई में यही किया ना आत्मनिर्भर भारत में कि चलो ठीक है कोलैटरल फ्री लोन मिल जाएगा. Isn't that what we did? So that the burden is lesser and the companies are motivated to move to greener cars. Now do you understand? And then Gyan Baba mode comes in. After all, company is a part of the country. Right? Understood this? Now you see, I did not break the law. Even if it was very tough, I did not break the law. I was in the bounds of the procedure. I internally wanted the company to become better, not only for this, but for the times to come. The wrong answer, please understand this, the wrong answer would be the words whistle blowing. ये गलत है. Because you are assuming an eventuality which has not happened. सर नहीं सुना तो मैं क्या करूंगा? ये नहीं लिखना है आपको. मैंने केस स्टडी में आपको बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं बोला है. मैंने बोला है यू आर एट द योर बिफोर द डिसीजन मेकिंग स्टेज. तुमने बहुत क्लियर कर दिया कि मैं ये नहीं करूंगा. अंडरस्टूड दिस? यू विल नॉट बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस. सिंपल एज दिस. ओके, समझ में आया? यस. नो बैटमैन जस्टिस, no crazy ideas, within the law and within the processes. Okay. Okay. Yes. You have to write possible outcomes. देखो इस तो जिंदगी में कुछ भी सही नहीं है. सर कंपनी ने नहीं माना तो, सर वर्कर ने बोला कि भक मैं नहीं करूंगा, या फिर सर वो ट्रेन नहीं करने दिया कंपनी ने तो गवर्नमेंट ने नहीं माना तो. ऐसे तो देयर इज एन इवेंचुअलिटी टू एवरीथिंग. बट द आइडिया इज यू हैव टू गिव द राइट आंसर, an answer which reflects your maturity. Okay, please understand this. This is very important. This is a very, very important part. And please understand this from a very clear point of view. If I do not ask you to cross a line, don't cross a line. Okay, understood this? Yeah. Because see what happens is when you write about whistleblowing, the examiner would like, अच्छा ये पक्का मीडिया में जाएगा if he doesn't agree or she doesn't agree with the seniors directions. समझ में आ रहा है? Whistleblowing is there to protect, but when you have tried everything and it hasn't worked, इतना कर ले बहुत है. समझ में आया ये? Understood this? Good. Yes. Okay, and write as many correlation examples. You can write about how MSME sector has been given certain relaxations in Atmanirbhar. You can talk about how employees in the country across various places are taking job cuts to make sure that the workers, the senior managers are taking job cuts so that the workers are able to implement. Get certain points, get certain money, get certain salaries and stuff like that. Okay, you can write, you can correlate it to as much as you can. Okay. Yes. All right, now a lot of you are asking, sir, BS6 salaries, BS6 guidelines, but we've not asked you what the technical specifications are. You can write how the government recently introduced BS6 guidelines, which Volkswagen was violating, and the National Green Tribunal has fined Volkswagen, I think, more than $100 million, if I'm not wrong. Right? So you can write that. But nobody's asking you कि we should the BS6 guidelines should be implemented strictly. We agree it should be. हम तो बोला ही नहीं कि नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, right? Okay. बेटा, if you could not write short and long term, why would I give you short and long term? है ना? कोई रीजन से दिया है ना मैंने, इसलिए. ठीक है. अंडरस्टूड दिस? गुड. तो ऐसे करना है. वेरी गुड. देखो, slowly and so don't Revanche, Volkswagen and Skoda have a joint venture. They're not a parent company. So what now is happening is joint Volkswagen wants to become as a luxury brand, and Skoda wants to become the utility brand. Okay, chalo. Thank you, Kush. Let's move to the next one. Okay, all right. Okay. So, you are the HR manager in a private company. A lady employee has been promoted to a senior position after the yearly rounds of appraisal were successfully conducted. A male employee who was hopeful of getting the promotion but didn't was very disgruntled with his colleague getting promoted. The male employee is an asset to the organization and has been instrumental in delivering की प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑन टाइम. ओके, मतलब ये अच्छा एम्प्लॉय है, लेकिन इसको लग रहा है कि इसके साथ धोखा हुआ है. The lady employee informs you that the male employee was hopeful of the promotion but did not get it and was not following her instructions as she was the superior and he was a team member. This is also diluting the team spirit, and other employees are also following suit. She also informed you that the male employee had started acting very distasteful by starting some distasteful rumors, causing the female employee a massive loss of reputation and credibility. Now, I will say this more openly and more frankly. What if, just imagine, okay, just imagine, just think about what I'm going to say. Following suit means following somebody else or doing the same thing. So just understand what I'm going to say. Just imagine a real life scenario. You are a 23-year-old male who's cleared this exam. You cleared it at 21. At 23 years of age, you have become your SDM. You've given your SDM posting. Now, in your SDM posting, you're essentially working under the leadership of the DM. The DM listens to you, gives you freedom to implement your own ideas. The DM makes you a part of all important committees and meetings. And after the DM gets posted out, you also get equally good postings because the DM put in a good word for you. Now, your male batchmates are also SDMs. Your male batchmates are also in the same position as you, but you are being have been given those privileges because you worked the hardest. There is no doubt that you, as a female SDM, worked the hardest, even harder than your male employees. You were always on time and you always did a good job. What will your male colleagues say? Oh, that the female SDM has a thing with the DM. Oh, she's getting the benefits because she's a woman or because she's pretty and things like that. Can you now imagine the scenario? Now imagine this. This in the government versus this in the private sector. The core issue remains the same. Understood this? And how do you solve this? Okay? Now, the case in question very simply poses a ethical dilemma. The integrity of the organization versus the productivity of the organization. If I do not take an action against them, then I'm compromising the very essence, the soul of the organization. Sneha, can you please stop for a second? Okay. Kanchan, so do you. Please let me finish this. Yeah, we're talking. Just learn to listen once. Okay. Thank you. So if you don't take an action against them, you're compromising the very ethos, the very essence of the organization. Whereas if you do, then the people who are working hard will stop working hard. And now you explain this, that work cultures define the growth of an organization. बाबा मोड कि एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने वर्क कल्चर से डिफाइन होता है. An incident which questions the integrity of a person, process, or organization would compromise the very ethos of a workplace. Correct? Remember the TVF example, where the CEO of TVF, or for example the Me Too movement, it would have really taken away from the organizational ethos of the organization. So you can give those examples. Okay, demotivated or disgruntled employees are unhappy at their core. You have to understand, if an employee is demotivated, for example, in the services you figure out that no matter how hard you work, it is your perception and it is your alliances that get you through better postings. Would you not feel unhappy? At the very core you feel very unhappy that मैंने इतना मेहनत किया, इतना अच्छे से काम किया, worked so hard, but at the end of the day you need to know the right people at the right time. Is that how life works? Well, to an extent, but that's how it is. So you would be unhappy at your core, and that will only harm their peace, and that will not only harm their peace of mind, but the organizations. Correct? Yes. Then you will stop going out of your way. Then you'll stop taking those inspections as SDMs. You will stop taking those checks. You'll stop, innovating schemes in your subdivision, because you'll be like, what's the point of it? And here's a very important thing I'd like to tell you in the context of this case study. And listen to what I'm going to say next. Selflessness is another form of selfishness. The sooner you understand this, the more at peace you would be, right? I'll give you my example. I get so happy to see all of you give me so many hats. You give me, these dedications. You give me these lovely comments, and I feel really, really happy. I really do. But here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. It makes me feel happy. It makes me feel good, and that's why I keep doing more and more of these things. समझ में आया? Yes, selflessness is nothing but a form of selfishness. There's nothing wrong with being selfish. The same way there's nothing wrong with being selfless, as long as you're doing it for the right reasons. That's the essence of the case study. समझ में आया? I'll be very honest with you, right? You guys give me great hats, green, blue, yellow, the whole Vibgor collection of hats. You write such lovely emails, and it honestly gives me a. I read every line that you write. Yes, I read every line that you write, and it makes me feel amazing. You are the reason I've been able to survive this lockdown because of all the love that you give. Does that make me selfless? No, it makes me selfish. But in the way that I help you out. Do you now understand this? Correct? That's the idea. Understood this? Learn to be self aware. This is the idea. Okay? Now, honestly, if it wasn't for you guys, I would have been in a very bad space. Really, I owe this to you guys. Now, I have two options: brush the matter under the carpet, or the other way. So, what if I brush the matter? I don't take an action. This might lead to the issue to settle in with time without the organization getting actively involved. किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा. It will die its sweet death. यही बात है ना? Not taking an action is also an action itself. Is it not the case? Not taking an action is also an action. It will calm down. People will stop talking about it. It will eventually die because people have a very small memory or a short memory in this country. It would also help the employee who did not get the promotion feel that, okay, company understands, the company gets me, the company understands that, I am really pissed off, and then I'm going to give it back to the company with a lot more work, with a lot more productivity, right? However, this would severely hamper the work environment, leading to make it very toxic for the time to come, and make this behavior acceptable and as a habit, normalizing it for everyone. Do you understand this? Yes? Clear? समझ में आया? आज तो चलेगा. If you see the first part, if you see from here till about here is short term, and here till about here is long term. Can you see this? I wrote it in a paragraph together because of the word limit. Yes, it's the same thing. It will help me now, but it will really be very difficult in the years to come. And then you can give an example of this. You can take it to the whole nepotism debate. You can take it to the whole Me Too debate, right? If you don't take an action on it, it normalizes things. It's okay for you to be like this, right? Never ever normalize it. And that's the whole point, right? For example, I'll give you an example. For example, if I say, a lot of times I hear people going, oh, women are crazy, men are crazy, women are crazy. Don't do that. It normalizes it. It makes you feel okay to say that women will act a certain way because they're women. That's a gender bias. Don't do that, right? In the same way, don't normalize a lot of things in society, right? For example, if somebody comes to your house to work, don't you'll make them sit on the floor, you will sit on the sofa. Don't normalize in treatment like this. Do you understand what I'm saying? Don't normalize it. What happens because of this is the people who come and work for you in your house, it is in their heads that this is my place in society. This is not your place in society. This will never be your place in society. Everybody has equal space in society. Don't normalize it. That's the idea. Okay? The other option is address the matter immediately. And how do you do this? Reasoning with the most productive employee is essential to make him understand the power of merit and how he can use this power of merit, understand that he didn't get promoted this time, so that he can work harder and get promoted next time. And if you address this issue, it will also set a precedent. Precedent means it will set the record straight that in my company, this is not allowed. This is not cool. I will not tolerate it. So that it does not happen again and the company retains good employee moral. So I've explained to you what the options are. Now, what am I going to do? How am I going to go about it? Again, most of you were slightly wrong on this front. You've not been asked, please understand this. The female employee has informed you of something. I did not write that this is proven beyond doubt. So, first step, take formal cognizance of the matter and initiate an inquiry. Let the inquiry take its course. That takes care of the issue, right? जो होगा हम इंक्वायरी के बाद देखेंगे. 2. Undertake expert counseling of the male employee to make him understand what he allegedly, do you see the word allegedly? What he allegedly was doing was wrong. And also give counseling to the female employee to help her cope with the situation. Helping both of them. Third, now do you see, solve this as an organizational problem. This is something which I found missing in most of your answers. Organize sensitization activities, sessions, and talks to bring the organization on the same page. Everybody should learn from this. Remember when the Nirbhaya incident happened, Delhi police started sensitization programs. So that if a woman went to a police station and said, I was being stalked or I was being harassed, the police officer would not say, so what? You asked for it. You understand this? This is how sensitization works. And bring it back. Once the inquiry details are revealed, take appropriate action depending on the severity and impact of the actions. Whatever your company policy is. समझ में आया? Whatever your company policy is. समझ में आया? So, I understood what the problem was. I look at the solutions, and this is what I specifically do within the law, within the boundaries of it, helping not just the problem but the issue at large, and then conclude on Baba mode. What is conclusion on Baba mode? Meritocracy is the cornerstone of success, and it is only human nature to want to bypass it. Yes or no? Honestly, batao. Yes, we're all built like that. There's no harm. Understand that we're very dark people so that we can become better, right? And as a country, company, and society, we must value and celebrate accomplishment without any bias whatsoever. समझ में आया? Clear? Understood? बस. Half an hour for you to write both the case studies, half an hour to discuss this, and you're done. Right? Yes. Bus. 1 hour every 3 days, and your case studies automatically come into space. All right, let me look at some questions, some very, very good questions here. Let me just look at them. Akshay, I'm good, thank you. Aman, I'm compiling it over the weekend. Yes, sure. Yeah. So there was some lectures which were with the Vajiram administration has not uploaded. I'll just check. Yes, Devjit, you can send both the assignments. How to improve? Oh, this is a very good question. This is a very good question. So, how to improve grammatical mistakes? I'll tell you. The simplest answer is write short sentences. This is the best way to improve grammatical mistakes. The problem is when you write longer sentences, you have no idea what you wrote in the first half, so you go wrong in the second half. Okay? Always remember this. Kishan, you've mailed me a week back. Just give me some time. I mean, have I watched Dark, the one on Netflix? No, I haven't. I watched Black Mirror though. I haven't seen Dark. You think I have the time to watch Dark right now? Okay. I will take the governance class in vulnerable section. More options mean more marks. So that with a little bit practice, you'll be fine. Even if you can't name them properly, explain them. Okay, Hariharan. No, a member from the Rajya Sabha does not have to be from the same constituency. They changed the Representation of People's Act. Whatever you have individually written, for example, Mega, it's fine. You finish it in your 200, 250 words, that's fine. Okay. Sunday. Shantanu, Sunday. Okay, utilitarian. I'll explain this for sure. Just give me a minute. All right, I'll give you a link for what it is. I'll explain this in the simplest possible manner. Okay. Aman, yes, I'm supposed to, and I'm making them. So just give me some time. I'm updating it. So I will. Okay. ऐसे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस ही कर लेते तुम भेज रहा हूँ रुक जाओ You are CIA in the United States. Hmm? You are waging a war on Afghanistan because of terror. There is a village in Afghanistan where there are 50 people who live, and uh, you have been given uh, X, X, if you have and you've been given information that there are 5 terrorists living here, and you know that these 5 terrorists are planning a bomb attack which would kill 500 people. Hmm? You take a drone, arm it with a missile, and you bomb the village. This is utilitarianism. Okay. Will there be collateral damage? Yes. Will innocent people die? Yes. But 50 people dying to 500 innocent people dying is utilitarianism. Okay? Greater good for greater people. Yeah, you can directly do that. It can't be stayed, Akash. Thank you, Payal. First, start writing, Aditya. You'll automatically start reducing the connecting words and all of those things. ओके ये यूनिक सोल्यूशन में प्रॉब्लम में मत फंसो इतना ही करो पहले सी दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई टेल यू गाइस first secure 110 in ethics, then do the polishing exercise, look for innovations and get a 120 plus. Okay, but 110 आना कंपलसरी है इसके नीचे एथिक्स में एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है समझ में आया क्लियर Yeah, you can write pros and cons also. Yes, you can write in points. Nupur, it's taking time. First, do the rough work. First, show me the rough work. I'll see. हाँ हाँ अनुष्का, please move to point structure. If the Purvi, if the question affects personal setup, then yes. हाँ social capital, yes. Can I get PDF mail कर दो? Yes, you can. You can do it in any way. Better the Ayush, I've already mentioned 8 to 10 minutes. No, Siddharth, you can write very simple language, no problem. More relatable. Offering a resignation, of course, if they don't agree, you can write, I will offer a resignation. तुमसे पूछा नहीं है ये. Resignation is an escapist way to go about it. Okay? Anushka, that's too complicated. About the detailed report. For CSC 2020, current affairs has to be done till August. There is no questionable flaw in the here in the reporting procedure. Yes, you can relate to BS6. If whistleblowing is mentioned in the question, if no other option as a last resort, you will write yes, but only as a last resort. Huh, if the company doesn't agree, Radhika, yes, you can absolutely. That's okay, Vartika. You will get close enough. Surya. पेरिस क्लाइमेट चेंज, हाँ लेकिन पूछा तो है नहीं बेटा. अरे खुद ही सोचना, तो कंपनी में गाड़ी बनाता है, तेरे को पेरिस क्लाइमेट एक्शन चेंज के बारे में तूने इतना हिंदू पढ़ा होगा क्या? प्रोडक्ट हेड बन के इतना पढ़ा होता है ना. लेकिन तो सकता है. वेलकम मेघा. No, it's not okay. It's not necessary to use proper words. I use proper words because I am distantly related to Shashi Tharoor. I'm not, but okay. Dishri, the link to Water Day is on the uh, Telegram channel. Yeah, custodial violence in the mains could be asked. But you would write it in an essay, Rajat. Mm. Yes, sir, I'll be writing a letter tomorrow, Sunday. Yes, I'll be writing a letter. I'll be writing a very personal letter to you guys tomorrow. So, yeah, because you guys have been very nice to me. Okay, 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 okay. Involved in the promotions. Yes, you can mention. It's not really a failure of the HR because you're questioning the work process. It's a technical uh, change, so don't do that. Yes, glass ceiling you can talk about. Yes, Ibrahim, you can. There is a patriarchy angle. The whole question is about patriarchy. If a woman gets a promotion and a man doesn't, it's because she's a woman, not because she's good. That's patriarchy by definition. Yes, Ankesh, you can take out of the two decisions. Theory of ethics, I'll be giving you shorthand notes. That's more than enough. How to connect? Better like I connected. Were you preparing for 2024, Atul? Hey, 2024. Atul, you're preparing for 2024. You're preparing for 2024, is it? This is 2020. भाई आराम कर अभी. चिल कर अभी. थोड़ा घूम घाम का थोड़ा मतलब अभी कुछ नहीं. अखबार पढ़ ले बस बहुत है. So the rumors part would be addressed through talking to the female and talking to the male and the female and sensitization. That's how. Okay, Prema. Mm-hmm. All right. Tanvi, Divya, Pooja. इफ यू वांट टू यू कैन. गणेश गायतोंडे ने पूछा है सवाल. भाई गणेश गायतोंडे का जवाब हम देंगे. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कैन वी ऐड विमेन रेपुटेशन पॉइंट इन ब्रश एंड मैटर पैरा as it affects the condition? Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, absolutely sir, absolutely sir. Sir, anything else sir? Okay. Link of there is only. Yes Megha, it is okay. Ketki has a good question. Sir, in the case of anti-defection law, how can the speaker defect? Is supposed to be impartial. Everybody is supposed to be good, na beta, but everybody is not good. IS officers are supposed to also be impartial. They're also supposed to be non-corrupt. है ना? Ministers are supposed to work for the people of the country. Everybody is supposed to be nice, but they are not. Because understand, a speaker is expected to be politically neutral but belongs to a political party, because if you don't belong to a political party you can't be a speaker. Why would they elect you? Yes Ocean, you can access water day after it is over. Just go to the setup and you can access it. Where Yes, tomorrow Shraddha, I'm uploading some of the videos tomorrow. Can we use the subheading structure? Yes, you can use subheading structure. Yes. And half an hour. Okay, if you just started writing, half an hour is fine. Yes, Kush, there should be, which is why we should recommend it in the reforms. Can we design? No, you can write it, Pratiksha. It's not mainstream. Mainstream is always the right answer. Yes, I have received it, Samir. I'll give it to you. I do teach UPSC because it's the most fascinating education space to be in. University teaching tends to get too boring and too concentrated. This keeps you mentally awake, and very honestly speaking, you get to teach some of the most diverse minds in the country. Like for example, even online or offline, you get. I have investment bankers in class. I have lawyers in class. I have engineers in class. I have history, arts, eco graduates in class. I have people like a few who are working. I know people who've seen the world. I know people who've just started out. है ना? I have given 275 attempts because I'm 300 years old. And if I give any attempts, if that makes me a better teacher, then your explanation of good teachers is flawed in the first place. So yeah. Okay. Thank you, Asha. All right. Okay. You can send your answers here on the email. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care. I'll see you guys. Have a great weekend. Yeah. And write you later tomorrow. You can expect the polity video tomorrow. I think Rights, TPSP, and Parliament tomorrow because it's done. It's published. We'll make it public tonight or tomorrow morning. Have a great evening, guys. I'll upload the case studies for the next week on Monday evening, Monday midnight, so that you have 2 days to write it. I'll create the class also. Have a great weekend. Take some time off, blow some steam off. I'll see you guys. Be careful. Don't go crazy. Bye bye. I did, Meg. I answered your question. So, bye.